Be strong.
Why good leaders make you feel safe. Hi Leah, how are you doing today?
Hi Alex, I'm doing well, thanks for asking. How about you?
I'm doing well too. I wanted to talk to you about leadership. Have you ever thought about what makes a good leader?
Yes, I think a good leader is someone who can inspire and motivate their team to achieve their goals.
Absolutely, and I think another important aspect of a good leader is that they make you feel safe.
What do you mean by that?
Well, when you're working under a good leader, you feel like you can trust them and that they have your best interests at heart. They create an environment where you feel comfortable expressing your thoughts and ideas without fear of criticism or retaliation.
I see what you mean. So, why is it important for a leader to make their team feel safe?
When people feel safe, they are more likely to take risks and be creative. They're also more likely to be honest and open, which can lead to better communication and collaboration. Additionally, when people feel safe, they're more likely to stay loyal and committed to the team and the organization.
That makes sense. It seems like creating a safe environment is key to building a strong team.
Definitely. And it's not just about physical safety. A good leader also needs to create psychological safety, where people feel like they can be vulnerable and share their weaknesses and failures without fear of judgment.
I think that's a great point. It's important for a leader to recognize that everyone makes mistakes and that it's okay to admit when you don't know something or when you've made a mistake.
Yes, exactly. When a leader can model that behavior, it sets the tone for the rest of the team and encourages everyone to be more honest and open.
I can see how that would lead to a more productive and positive work environment.
Definitely. And it's not just about the leader, it's also about the team as a whole. When everyone feels safe, they're more likely to support each other and work together towards a common goal.
I completely agree. It's important for everyone on the team to feel like they're in it together and that they can rely on each other.
Yes, and a good leader can help facilitate that by encouraging teamwork and collaboration and recognizing the contributions of each team member.
That's true. It's important for a leader to acknowledge and appreciate the hard work that everyone puts in.
Absolutely. When people feel like their efforts are being recognized and appreciated, it can be a powerful motivator.
I think that's a great point. It's important to feel like your work is valued and that you're making a difference.
Yes, and that's why a good leader is so important. They set the tone for the rest of the team and create an environment where everyone feels safe, supported, and valued.
It's amazing how much of an impact a good leader can have on a team.
Definitely. And that's why it's so important to invest in leadership development and to make sure that we're cultivating strong, effective leaders in our organizations.
I completely agree. Leadership development is key to building strong, successful teams.
Anyway, I think we've covered a lot about what makes a good leader. Do you have any other thoughts on the topic?
I think we covered a lot of ground, but I would just add that a good leader should also be able to communicate clearly and effectively with their team.
Yes, communication is definitely an important aspect of leadership. A good leader needs to be able to articulate their vision and goals in a way that resonates with their team.
I agree. And they also need to be able to listen to their team and be open to feedback and suggestions.
Absolutely. It's important for a leader to create a culture of open communication, where everyone feels like their opinions are valued and heard.
I think we covered everything I had in mind. It's been a great conversation.
Yes, it has. Thanks for sharing your thoughts with me, Leah.
Anytime, Alex. It's always interesting to talk about leadership and teamwork.
Definitely. Let's catch up again soon.
Sounds good. Take care, Alex.
You too, League. Talk to you soon.
Bye.